Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in China. On tonight's menu, pork lo mein. Morning mise en place. The mixing station for the sauces. Here's all the sauces put together. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. The pork in the marinade. Heating up some oil in the wok. I add the onion and the ginger and saute. I add the celery, carrots, and mushrooms and continue to saute. I add the peppers, the zucchini, and a little bit of green onion and saute. I remove all the veggies and set aside. I add some more oil and heat in the wok. I add the pork. And after cooking, here's kind of what it looks like. I add the sauce to the pork. Then I reintroduce the veggies. Here's the noodles all dressed up with the sauce. Here's all the goodies together in the wok. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have fun cooking.